Tank's on fire. Yeah. Well, I'm going to go ahead and start with just trying to get it to run. So step one is gas. Several problems. I just put a splash of denatured alcohol in here. It's leaking out of the petcock. It won't come out in either direction, so it's probably plugged and leaking. It's bad, so I'll replace that. Or I will solder a fitting in there so I can just hook a hose up to it and put an inline shutoff somewhere in the line. Also up here, you can see there's been some JB weld or Bondo work done to this seam. So I'm going to grind that off and just go ahead and braze that real quick, or MIG weld it. The tank is not bad inside. I've had rustier tanks in roadworthy stuff before. I'm not even going to bother trying to knock the rust out and get it out of there. I'm just going to fix the leaks and go. The JB weld has been removed, and you can see that this pinch weld here is actually cracked right on the back side of that. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my torch to that and seal that up. Hit that with a brush quick. Tank's on fire.